Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellow students, let me introduce myself. My name is Novilia Andini with NPM 2241217 from Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will discussing about factors that influence decision making. Something very important to understand, especially in the context of management and organization. Decision making is a process that cannot be separated from various influences, both from within the individual and from the surrounding environment. The decision made by an individual or an organization never stand alone. In other words, every decision is highly likely to be influenced by various factors that interact with each other. One of the main factors that greatly influence the decision-making process is information. Without adequate information, someone will have difficulty making the right choice. Information serves as the basis for thinking and consideration in evaluating each available alternative. The more complete and accurate the information available, the greater the likelihood the decision made will approach the expected outcome. However, in reality, not all information is always available in its entirety. Sometimes, decision-making must be made in the midst of limited or even uncertain information. This is what makes the decision-making process more complex. Besides information, time factor is also very influential. Not all decisions can be made freely without a time limit. In certain situations, decisions must be made quickly, while on the other hand, there are decisions that allow for a longer consideration period. Time constraints often force decision makers to act quickly even if they are not fully confident in the choice made. This can affect the quality of the decision made. Another factor is personal values, experience, and intuition. A decision maker brings their own background into every thinking process. This value are formed by education, culture, and life experiences that shape how a person assesses a situation. Even in the same condition, two different people can make different decisions influenced by their respective perception and experiences. In some conditions, intuition also plays a role as decision making, and especially when time is limited or information is incomplete. Organizational environment is also an equally important factor. Every organization has its own culture, structure, and workrooms that will influence the decision-making process. A leader in an organization cannot make decisions individually, but must consider how those decisions will impact the work system, interpersonal relationships, and even the organization image itself. Pressure from superiors, colleagues, or even subordinates can also be part of the dynamics that influence someone's decision. Not only that, political factors, power, and interest also often emerge in the decision-making process, especially in large organizations or governments. Sometimes decisions are no longer solely by rationality, but rather about who has greater influence and how power is used to achieve certain goals. From the description, we can see that decision making is a not simple process. It's the result of the interaction of various factors that influence each other and shape the way decision makers think. Therefore, it's important for us to understand each of these factors so that we can make decisions that are not only quick but also accurate and responsible. That's in the explanation about the factors of decision making. So that's the explain about factors that influence decision making. That's all for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.